Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, ever find yourself in a PlayStation 5 party chat, and suddenly, you're hearing an annoying echo? It's super frustrating, right? Making it hard to communicate clearly with your friends online. This common problem often means your own voice, or even others, is bouncing back through your headset or speakers. Don't worry though, we're going to walk through some easy fixes to get your audio crystal clear again, making your gaming sessions much more enjoyable. First things first, let's cover the basics. A common culprit for echo is often a loose connection. Make sure your headset cable is securely plugged into your PlayStation 5 controller, or directly into the console if you're using a USB headset. Also, double-check that your microphone isn't muted on the headset itself, or within the console's quick menu. Sometimes, just unplugging and then firmly replugging your headset can instantly resolve the issue, giving you clear audio once more. If the basics don't fix it, let's dive into your PlayStation 5 sound settings. Press the PlayStation button on your controller, then scroll down to the sound icon. Here, you'll find options for your microphone. Try reducing your microphone's input level. Often, a mic that's too sensitive picks up too much room noise, including echoes. Also, look for noise suppression and experiment with its levels. These adjustments can really help filter out unwanted background sounds and keep your voice sounding crisp and clear. Next, let's consider your system and network. Always make sure your PlayStation 5 system software is fully updated. Sony often releases updates that improve stability and fix audio glitches. A stable internet connection is also super important for clear voice chat. Try restarting your router and modem, as this can often resolve underlying network issues. In some rare cases, network congestion might be contributing to the problem, so ensure your network is optimized for online gaming sessions. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and the echo still persists, it might be time to consider other options. First, test your PlayStation 5 with a different headset to confirm if the issue lies with your current equipment. If the problem continues, even with a new headset, then it's a good idea to reach out to PlayStation support directly. They can provide advanced diagnostics and guide you through more specific solutions, or even discuss potential repair or replacement options, ensuring your gaming experience is top-notch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.